Hey everybody, welcome back to Turn Wrenches Jr. YouTube channel. Today's a treat. I got something for you that I don't think I've ever shown. It was the car that I got. So, there she is. 08 Subaru Legacy. On the list for today is this tire fitment. See that right there? You got about 3 fingers you can sit in there. And on the rear, it's like 1 finger pretty much flush. I think that's a combination of the shocks being bad in the back, having stuff in the rear, and having a trailer hitch on the back. So, I'm going to start on this today. I'm trying to fix that. And how do you fix that? Especially when your shocks on the rear are probably bad? Coilovers. That's right. We got some coilovers. I'll show them to you guys here in a minute, but need to try and get rear shocks out. Try and get that trailer hitch off. I got to figure that out, and then do the front coilovers and see how good it looks. All right, well, I'm gonna start jacking this thing up and getting everything ready, and then I'll show you guys the coilovers. All right, so we got maXpeedingrods. Got some seals for the front output shaft, axle nuts to do that because one of them's kind of leaking. maXpeedingrod coilovers. Got that driver's side rear one off. Let's put one in, check it out, and get the other side taken off and look at what we're going to do for heights. Really should have filmed, because when I put the new shocks and coilovers on, this thing was sitting like freaking up here, bro. It was like a good 2-3 inches higher. It was the same as the front. So them shocks was definitely bad. So tomorrow that is gonna get lowered. It's tucking now, bro. That looks real good. I like it. Didn't do the exhaust and the trailer hitch yet. Got to get a ratchet strap to hold the exhaust up. But oh yeah, she's tucking now. I wonder what that ride height, or what that, how it's gonna feel. Matched up the dampening. One was kind of loose, so I just dialed them back in and tightened them up. So tomorrow we will be back on this thing first thing in the morning. Do the front coil springs, and then we will also do the axle seals, drive shaft, axle seal, whatever, axle assembly. So I gotta run, got kid stuff to do. I will be back tomorrow. Alright guys, day 2. I forgot my camera. I recorded some stuff with my phone. I may include that, I may not, but I got that front end. Oh, and she's gapping good, baby. You can literally fit your fingers right under there. Back kind of leveled out as well. It's tucking about the same. I think it needs to go up a bit more. Yeah, it could go up like a 1/2 inch, man. Let's look at this side. Yeah. I think there's definitely some height adjustment that could be done. The ride so far that I've been driving around, it's definitely stiffer, and I haven't compressed the spring. It literally is right at where it's tight, and I locked it in place. So it's not extra tight, but it's definitely a stout ride. It's definitely more bumpy than it was, but it's definitely nicer. Like feedback, you can definitely tell the road is the road and what's going on with everything. Had a little bit of noise and it went away. Got brake pads coming, so I'm gonna do some brakes on the front. Right now I'm gonna start working on getting this freaking hitch off. Get the hitch off, and then I may raise this rear up. I don't know, man. I just don't know if because you can't see the meat you see on there, and then the meat on this side. It definitely needs to, I think it definitely needs to go up some. Need to raise it up. about a 1/2 inch on each side, I think, is what is going to be needed. But I'm going to get started working on this, and yeah, like this side definitely needs to go up a little bit, 1/4 of an inch compared to the other side. I think it's probably because of the gas tank, if I had to guess. I'm going to get to work, and I'll see you guys when I'm done. There she is. Still trying to think whether or not to raise the height on that rear. Still think I need to, but I don't really feel like it, to be honest with you guys. I need to get an alignment done. Yeah, I mean, it's alright. I think I'm gonna accept it. I did get that trailer hitch off. Look at that. No more trailer hitch. Oh, thank God. That actually raised the car up a little bit. I don't know how much some things weigh, but that thing's gonna go in the dump. And there she is. All done. Do the front brakes. And the Subaru is done. I am super excited about this, guys. Looks good lowered. I like it. Alright. I think that'll be the end of the video unless something cool or crazy happens with the brakes. Appreciate you guys coming by and watching. See you on the next one, whenever that is, since I don't do YouTube anymore. Oh, the pollen. It is jacking up my nose and my face and everything else. Anyways, I wanted to shoot this video to wrap up the lowering kit on the Subaru. Good news is place is sealed, got that done, got the coilovers installed, everything's good to go. On the maXpeedingrods coilovers, the ABS mount, if you use a stock bolt, it's too long, so I actually had to get shorter ones so those would mount and not hit the actual strut. And one of them was like cross-threaded, or the threading was messed up, so I had to kind of like tap it and get it to work in there. But other than that, it was pretty good. Got the adjustment up top. Funny story about that. I went to go get it aligned, and that was a disaster. Basically waited 2.5 hours for just a toe. They didn't even adjust the camber, and obviously super easy. You can adjust the camber right there. So they didn't even do that. They didn't charge me, so I've got to go get it for real aligned. And then I need to clean it up, man. It's dirty. Rims are dirty, car is dirty, handprints on the rear bumper, but it's definitely looking nicer, though, I'll tell you that. Yeah, I'm just glad I'm done with this. It was a long vacation to lower my car. I will see you guys on the next video. Appreciate you stopping by. Thanks for subscribing, and until next time, later.